Hi, I'm Kylie Sensei, here to make parenting smarter and stress-free. Today, let's break down how to use a breast pump the right way, even if you're totally new to it. Start with clean hands and a comfortable seat. Place the flange gently over your nipple. It should seal without pain. Turn on the pump to a low suction level first. Once your milk starts flowing, you can gradually increase the intensity to what feels right. A typical session lasts 15 to 20 minutes per breast. If you're using a manual pump, use slow, steady squeezes, no rushing. Store milk immediately in a clean container and label it with the date. That's it, efficient, safe, and stress-free. For more baby care tips and gentle guides, subscribe to Kylie Sensei Education. You've got this, Mama. I'm here every step of the way.